Up for sale, 1979 Corvette, finished in dark green with tan interior. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 79 Corvette, finished in dark green, which is the second rarest color of 79, or at least produced, I should say. They made just over 2,400 of them. It's been repainted in that correct color, has tan interior. It's original 350, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, T-tops, which are those glass T-tops. It's definitely a beautiful repaint. There are some flaws on it. I'm going to point them out when I get to them. You know, being, okay, that was metal. Fiberglass, of course. You're going to get a little bit of checking on certain spots here. Some, you see, I don't have to point them out. You see those. A little stone chip there. A little crack in the paint right there. A couple more little guys. Hood fitment is super nice on it. I have the hood open now. Save me the time of popping it. I'll just go do it. Little crack in the paint right there. It's got the spinners on there. You see a couple more miscellaneous marks, some towel marks, a little scuff right there. A little crack in the paint, and another little crack in the paint. Doors fit nice, they don't sag. Glass is excellent. And they got the rear tinted window in the back so you can't see in case you got your valuables in there. Door panels, the front and passenger and driver side are super nice. The seats definitely show their age though. I mean, they look good, but you know, you see a little bit discoloration here. This one's ripped. That one's got a seam that ripped open. But let me, before I go in, I'll show you the engine compartment. The light works. It's got hood insulation, which is nice to see, you know, something that's easily skimped out on. And it looks pretty factory correct for the most part. You see the correct air cleaner, the over shroud portion that, you know, again, easily taken off. The shielding is still there. But like I said, pretty factory correct for the most part. I'll show you the other side real quick. So. We'll close the hood since the light is on. I just paused it on accident. Carpet's pretty clean on both sides. It did have carpet mats in there, which is probably why it is as clean as it looks. Put a little wood grain here, which looks good. The clock works, which is very unusual to see on these cars. It has tilt wheel. Dash is in very nice condition though. And the steering wheel is not bad, just a little bit of discoloration on it, but really not too bad at all. It's not really cracking like some of these leather steering wheels do. Show you the back. Nice and clean back there with T-top covers. Couple touch-ups on the rear lip. The fitment of the T-tops is really nice. Couple little marks right there. Couple little marks right there. Couple more marks. couple little scuffs right there. A little chip right there that's been touched up. Couple little marks right there. Hop in on this side. Nice door jamb. Nice door panel. Like I said, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so go on and check it out. If you have any interest, let us know. 79 Corvette, finished in rare dark green with tan interior. Number matching. Couple marks right there. Another mark right there. So we'll fire it up and then we'll drive it. All right, we're gonna fire up now.